Welcome back to the Pumpkin a Day Challenge 2025. This month, I am crocheting as many unique mini pumpkins as I can. Experiment with all kinds of stitches, textures, and colors. My name is Lilish from yarncreationideas.com. Today's pumpkin is day 4, the Puff Stitch Pumpkin. This one has a cozy texture and a fun modern twist, a wood bead stem, and a curly vine. How many do you think I will make this month? Materials for this project, I'm using number 3, a blend of cotton and bamboo. I am going to use this beaded wood for the stem, tapestry needle, 4mm hook, a little bit of stuffing, scissors. Let's get to work. We're going to start with a slip knot. Adjust it, and now chain 16 plus 1. Yarn over and make a half double crochet. Repeat this all the way, 1 half double crochet for every single stitch that we have available. You should end it up with 16 half double crochet. I completed my 16 half double crochet. Chain 1, turn your work, yarn over and make a half double crochet in the back loop only. 1 stitch per stitch. All the way to here. For row number 3, chain 3. Turn, yarn over, and in that first stitch, in this first spot, going to make a double crochet. Now that we have chain 3 and double crochet, going to chain 3 more. So yarn over, go to that open available between the double crochet and the turning chain, and you're going to do the first one. Hold it here so you have a good tension. Yarn over and go and do that again. That's 2 times. Hold it, do that again 3 times, hold it and do that again, and that's 4 times. Now you pull through all of them. Now that you have that, we're going to skip 2. Insert the hook in that stitch and make a tall single crochet. And that's our first puff stitch. Now we make 3, chain 3. We're going to work in that spot right there. Chain 3, we work in this area. Bring the yarn from the back, pull up, hold it, yarn over, do it again. That's 2 times. Yarn over, do it again. That's 3 times. And we do 1 more time, and we have all of our loops in the hook and pull through. Let's skip 2, bring the yarn, pull it up, and complete that single crochet. Chain 3, yarn over. Now in the spot between the puff and that single crochet that we made, pull it up. This is 2, 3, and 4. Pull them all through. Skip 2. Tall stitch, tall single crochet, chain 3. Bring it up, hold it. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Pull them all through. skip 2, double single crochet, gonna make one more, chain 3, up, 2, 3, 4, pull them all through, and in here in the last stitch we're going to make a single crochet. For row number 4 we're going to chain 3, turn our work, make a slip stitch right there in the middle of the 2, right there, chain 3, slip stitch, chain 3, now that I completed my row number 4, let's review the pattern. So we start here with half double crochet in the back loop only in the wrong side, then we make the puff stitch going this way, 3 chains for each puff coming back. This is a little bit different just because we're not flat in here, so we're going to mimic half double crochet. We need to make 16 half double crochet. So we chain 1, we're going to start in this space right there with a half double crochet, and we complete that. Now in every of these chains that are on the top of the puff, we're going to make 2 half double crochet. So here we're going to make 2 half double crochet. Now 1 half double crochet here in between the puffs, and the last one, and we should have 16 half double crochet. Make sure you have 16. So now this mimics this over here. So now we're going to head back. To do that, chain 1, half double crochet in the back loop only. This is row 2 of our pattern. I completed row 2 of our beautiful pattern, so now I'm going to head back and do the puff. So for that, if you remember, we chain 3, turn our work, and in the first stitch right here we make the first double crochet, chain 3, we're going to work our puff stitch right here, 1, hold it so it helps with the tension, 2, 3, and 4. Pull through all of them, skip 2, and make a tall single crochet. That's the first one. Let's go ahead and do 2 more together. Right there. That's 1. That's 2, 3, and 4. Pull through all of them, skip 2, double single crochet. Let's make 1 more together, chain 3, yarn over, this is 1, this is 2, 3, and 4. Pull through, we skip 2, and a double single crochet. So we need to make 2 more, and then we come back with the chain and we repeat, and we make it as big as we need this way. I completed the rectangle and now I am ready to join them here. We have to make a decision. Do you like it this way or you like it this way? They're both beautiful patterns. Lovely, lovely patterns. I think I'm going to do it this way. But before I do that, I want to show you. I made this one 9 inches and this is 3 inches, 3 by 9. If you notice here, the puff stitch is more uniform in the wrong side. And here is like more like the back of the puff stitch. So because of that, I am going to select to go. This will be my right side. So I am going to do slip stitch in the wrong side. That's what I had to decide where to go, where to do it. So we go ahead and find the corner there. Bring that loop from the back, put it through, tight it, make sure it's not loose. So we go ahead and find the next stitch and go through that and slip stitch. Perfect. This is going to be my front side, but equally beautiful. This one is looking beautiful here. So we'll continue and I join you here. I finished joining together, so now it's time to cut the material. So I'm going to cut to here. Get this thing out. Put it through there. Since I want to be this the right side, so I am just changing it. This looks beautiful, beautiful. What do you guys think? Send me comments. I would love to see comments. I would like to hear your opinion on these different pumpkins style. Okay, so now we are ready to get this along. This one is the short one. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the puff stitch that way. Then I'm gonna go ahead and take it again here. Put some stuffing in there, shape it. Now we're going to make a slip knot and chain 20 plus 1. In the second chain from the hook, start making 3 single crochet for every stitch available. So that's 3. We go to the next one right here, and in the same stitch we make 3 single crochet. Go to the next one. Make sure that this is not twisted, that is in the same top loop of the chain. I completed all the stitches and this is how it looks. So now we're ready to put the tail here, finish up this. I'm going to put this in here. I am going to add this first. I'm going to add this first and then I am going to put this through this middle and I'm going to attach that. But let's go ahead and finish this up right here. Now that this is secure, we're going to attach the little vine. So we put it through there. We complete it.